I'm Sam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple hamburger illustration using Figma. The first thing we're going to do is create a new Figma file if you haven't already. And then I'm going to add a frame to serve as the canvas for the illustration. So to do that, I'm going to hit F on my keyboard, create a frame, and I'm going to go ahead and make this 800 pixels, but you can make it whatever size you want. And now that we have our frame, we're going to jump right into the illustration by creating a rectangle. And this rectangle is going to be the top bun, so I'm going to go ahead and make that a hamburger bun color, which is sort of like a beige, so somewhere in between orange and yellow. But yeah, you can make it whatever color you want. The next thing I'm going to do is select the rectangle, hit enter or return on my keyboard, and then select the top 2 points. I'm going to round those out using the corner radius in the right hand panel, and yeah, basically going to bump that up to like 250 just so the corners are super round and you get that bun shape. And then I'm gonna just copy and paste this to create the bottom bun. So Command C, Command V, drag that down, and then I'm gonna hit Shift V to flip it vertically. Just like that, and then drag that down. So there we go. The next thing I'm gonna do is create the meat patty, I guess, and that's just gonna be another rectangle. Gonna bump the corner radius on that to give it a more round shape. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, you could make it whatever you want. I'm gonna make that a dark brown color like that. And then I'm gonna use this shape to basically block out the rest of the ingredients of the hamburger. So I'm gonna copy and paste that again, drag it up. This is going to be the cheese, so I'm going to make that a yellow color. Just like this. Oh my gosh. Why am I struggling? Okay, there's the yellow color. And then I'm going to copy and paste that. And this is going to be the lettuce. So we're going to make that a green color. Tighten that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna make the tomato. So I'm gonna copy and paste that again, and then make this red. Bright red. Cool, just like that. And then I'm gonna drag this down so there's more space. And yeah, I guess I'll start from the bottom to the top. So we're gonna start with the cheese. And what I'm gonna do here to make it look more like cheese melted on a burger is select the shape, hit enter, create a point over here on the bottom center area. It should automatically pop up. Click that and then drag that down. Holding shift will help keep it in place and not just like move freely. So I'm going to keep this pretty centered and just hold shift and hold it down. So there we got some overlap on the meat. And I'm going to do something similar with the lettuce, but just create some more points so we have more edges to work with. So again, hitting enter, selecting the point in the center, adding another point between those two, another point here between these two, and then points in between those. Now I'm going to select every other point and then drag those down. And then I'm going to bump the corner radius even more, so then we have more of like a scalloped shape. And then for the tomato, I'm just going to reduce the corner radius so that it appears more sharp. And there we go. Now I could just make some minor adjustments to the burger so that it feels more symmetrical. Make the tomato a little smaller, and then just bring everything up there. between each other. And yeah, there you go. A very simple hamburger. If you're interested in seeing more tutorials like this, let me know what you want me to draw next.